Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Commerce Kalyona. Now we will see accountancy formulas and expansion in 3 minutes. First, we will see interest on drawing under different situations, that is, average period method or shortcut method. Interest on drawing equal to total drawing into rate into average period in months divided by 12. Now average period means longer period plus a shorter period divided by 2. Longer period means 12 plus shorter period means 1 divided by 2. Next, product method. Interest on drawing equal to total product into rate into 1 by 12. Then sacrifice ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. Then gain ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Here one definite question will come. It might be sacrifice ratio or it might be gain ratio. Next we will go to the expansion form, that is NPSR. It means new profit sharing ratio. SR sacrifice ratio. OPSR old profit sharing ratio. Next, this is very important goodwill treatment. First, we are having average profit method. Second, super profit method. Third one is capitalized method. Now, average profit method, how we are calculating goodwill means goodwill equal to average profit into number of years purchased. Here average profit means total profit divided by number of years purchased. Next, we will see super profit method. Here, goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Now, super profit means actual profit minus normal profit. Now, normal profit means capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Next, last method is capitalization method. That is goodwill equal to capitalization value of average profit minus capital employed. Now, capital employed already we know that. That's why capitalized value of average profit equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ we are finding goodwill.